started our journey, so we are into manufacturing software and services, which is the business what we do. Now, when we started our journey, we are a company which is in a growth mode when in 2017, and we continue to be doing in that manner. Now, when a company is in a growth mode, what are the things you need? You need agility, you need standardization, you need uniformation because you will go through inorganic growth and other aspect. Giving all those aspects, you cannot grow if you don't think cloud as your first approach to do so. So keeping that in mind, we shut most of our legacy applications when it comes to corporate. We migrated to SaaS-based applications. When it comes to some customized application, we enrolled into IaaS environment. When it comes to specific to manufacturing, manufacturing is the only area where cloud can be used only from an insight perspective. Rest all your applications needs to be on ground in the plant because then the latencies and other aspects come into play. So where we are putting the edge aspect. So when we build a new plant, we bring MII, which is an intelligence and integration system, which gives you the entire information about your OT. But that you cannot move on cloud, has to be on on-prem. But with that, what we did, the entire data through the edge migrate to the lake, which we have created on cloud. So our entire analytics platform is on cloud. So our journey in Sterlite for last 2 years, within 1 year, if I can tell you, we migrated 90% of our application onto cloud. We are multi-cloud environment, we are a hybrid cloud environment, and we are having our entire security. And now I'm bringing that aspect to you. The security become a very critical aspect. And when people look security, when I started building this strategy, and I'll give you aspect from a strategy point of view more than the transaction level challenges because that will be the area where I have focused on. So when we started, there are around 21, 30 tools and technologies available in market which you need to bring on board. Now, whether you go to those individually or you look for platforms, and when you look for platform, as you are having operations in India, you have operation in China, you have operation in Dubai, Italy, you have operations in US, and then you have other areas where you are expanding from manufacturing as well as your services people. How do you bring a seamless experience? How do you bring that standardization? How do you bring the control which serve in the same manner across all these areas? And when you think that, you cannot do it without cloud. Hence, our entire security portfolio today, whether it is our cloud access security, whether it is our endpoint security, whether it is our BYOD, whether it is our periphery security, whether it is our SOC. So we have not moved to the conventional manner where we go to any partner and say that you manage my SOC. We build our own platform even for SOC and SOAR. So the entire environment is on cloud and it's working so seamlessly that during this lockdown, when we came into this, from a security point of view, don't need to bother. We have the performance of each and every machine coming to us. We are able to put controls which are required during the pandemic that when you work from home, the biggest challenge that you lose the control of your machine because that is not your network. And most of the earlier conventional way was to manage your security through the system when you are in network. When you are outside the network, generally you lose the control. But in our case, we are able to manage that because all our security platforms whether for endpoint and all are cloud-based. And cloud-based environment allow us to have a faster deployment of control, process, policies, and gives us a flexibility at a user level also. So our cloud journey is by design from the beginning. But just to answer another question, what people ask, that multi-cloud and hybrid anyway explained. But when it comes to hybrid, I'll give an example where we're using two technology of Microsoft. We work for defense very heavily and we wanted to have a project management system in place. Now, I cannot go to a complete public cloud environment to do a project planning and project execution, scheduling, maintenance, entire project management solution on public cloud because the data belongs to defense. So depending upon that situation, we use a technology which is completely IaaS from Microsoft, but a system which is not a SaaS system. It is deployed, let's say not in our premises, maybe on the instance what we have taken on the cloud. But when we move to our software side, because the variability is much there and the number of projects are high, but the time is very short for them. So we didn't want to go to the cost, which is a fixed cost and hit us because it's a variable cost and we can migrate. We moved for the same solution on the cloud on a complete PaaS environment, which is SaaS-based PaaS environment of EPM and from Microsoft. So what I'm trying to say in general, the cloud you cannot run away. As Parna said, it's not an option; it is the only option. But you have to see it from one other perspective, which I see in the current scenario in our manufacturing side. The cost become a very critical factor. So when we say that variable cost is a better aspect to move to the cloud, in the contrary to it is becoming a very different talk, that can we look for a fixed cost one-time investment, and for next 5 6 years I don't need to invest money, so that my fixed cost doesn't appear again and again and it doesn't hit my balance sheet as an expense. So this is another side of the story which has recently started. So you have to see that which situation you are in, which company you are in. If you are in a sustainable mode company, you may not look for cloud to be a very big option for you. But if you are an organization which is in a growth mode, cloud will give you agility, flexibility, the cloud will help you more. So you have to see that which place, what is your company strategy, how that is getting drive to you, and how you need to enable business. It is totally going to depend upon that.